It's a special way of thinking about cars, a redefinition of what the true driver's car should be in the 1980s. The belief that for certain people, ordinary cars are not enough. That there is a fine line between the average car and the overblown exotic. A certain balance between the possible and the dream. Between the daily routine and the outlandish fancy. The balance of fire. They're called the T-type Buicks, and they are an expression of what a modern automobile can be for the discriminating driver. They come in different sizes and they fit different persons. There is one of them for you. What makes a T-type Buick? Well, paint for one thing, a look, a visual statement of what waits beneath, a sense of power, purpose, elan, a sense of movement, special wheels and steel radial ply tires, special ground touring suspensions, special shocks and springs, stabilizer bars, suspensions for drivers, a special feel for drivers, a new kind of command and response, interiors for drivers, special instrumentation, here a tachometer, there extra gauges to provide a warning if necessary, special steering wheel, and where appropriate, stick shift or automatic, whatever is right. Whatever makes this a driver's car. Like these Lear-Sigler buckets available in the Century T. Now, what about engines? In the Skyhawk T-Type Coupe, a 1.8-liter overhead camshaft inline 4 with electronic fuel injection, plus a 5-speed manual transmission with overdrive 5th gear. In the Skylark T-Type, a 2.8-liter high-output V6 plus 4-speed manual. In the Century T-Type, coupe or sedan, the 3-liter V6 with automatic. And in the Regal, as in the Riviera, something special. The famous 3.8-liter V6 with turbocharger, using the exhaust gases and converting them to usable power. The more you ask for, the more you get. As if you had the power on demand of a V8 and the efficiency of a V6. What should a driver's car be for 1983? It all depends on how you look at it. Maybe fuel economy is the only criterion, but we don't think so. Not at Buick. At Buick, we believe there is a need for balance between simple economy for its own sake and the rest of what a car is for. At Buick, we have T-types in order to seek the balance of fire.